Well, it's January 5th, 2022. I hope everybody's starting the new year off right. Here's what I'm up to. So I've turned my shop into a carnival tent attraction temporarily, trying to keep all my stuff dry while the ceiling's freezing from the condensation, and until I can get some more insulation to seal that off. But that's kind of weird, right? I've been working in the house and stripping out all the wood floors in the kitchen, so I got all the boards here that were worth saving. It actually came up pretty good. Now it's down to getting all the nails out of it. If anybody's ever done any kind of barn wood or reclaiming a lumber or anything, pulling all the nails out can be a real pain. I got this thing, I think I got it off of Amazon a while back. Air locker, and it's a de-nailer where you pull the trigger, a little rod shoots out the end. So got this nail right here. Check this out. Put it on there. Knocked it straight through. And if it don't knock it all the way through, it'll just about. Here's another one. But when you got a stack like that, this is pretty sweet to denail them compared to using a hammer. So amongst doing that, I've also started gathering some supplies for a chicken coop. My dog passed away about a month ago. I had my little wiener dog for about 15 years, so that was pretty sad, and it's kind of lonely out here, and I thought I need to get something going, you know. Not quite ready for a dog yet, but I do plan on getting some farm animals, and I figure I might as well start with chickens. So I'm trying to get a little something laid out there. Probably get some in a month or so once it warms up a little bit. It's supposed to be getting down into single digits tonight, next couple nights, and it's cold. I'll show you what I got going on in the addition that I'm working on here. Well, here's all my old plumbing that I ripped out. Pressure tank and pump and a bunch of nasty PVC buried. Now, welcome to my kitchen and bathroom. So I've got this all stripped down to the floor joist. I've got all the electric killed in here. I've ran a couple lights I got hanging from inside the house, but man, this was nasty. This was all insulation underneath here. So I pulled the floor out, and what wasn't already on the floor or taken into a critter's home, I had to pull out. So much shoddy wiring. I mean, all kinds of, you know, old cloth wiring, disconnected something, just left hanging. Look at some of this cloth wiring here. I mean, it's just down to nothing. I found burned up stuff in the walls. Like, check that out. Where, you know, critters have just chewed through. A couple rotted floor joists where I've almost fell through a couple times. I'll be careful doing this, but got all the power killed. I'm getting ready to rip out all this old electric, tear out all these floor joists, try to clear up some space in here, then start addressing the foundation, where you can see this place was built around 1850, somewhere around that, but it's just old stone foundation, and I'm gonna go through and fix all the mortar joints on all that before I backfill this. But man, this is nasty. I got most of the nasty out. This shouldn't be too much, too bad from here, but it's cold. So once I got all that cloth wiring disconnected down there, I soon realized that that was also the old original wiring, so I lost all my lights downstairs as well. So when I'm not camping in my camper, I turn on my little lantern here and I camp by the fire in my house. But that kind of sucks, but I do feel better about having the cloth wiring disconnected, because if it's as bad as everything else I've found, and it's in these ceilings in this room and my other room, I could assume that it's chewed up, and I'm probably doing myself a favor by disconnecting it. Just so one day I'm gonna walk out this door, I'm gonna have like a legit kitchen and bathroom, or I might just look outside and see my barns and looking out in the field. But here before too long, this thing's gonna go. So I just want to give a quick look at this, get this electric and floors tore out, and then on to the next nightmare. So I hope everybody's set some 2022 goals. And try to get some light here, but I'll keep y'all updated. Thanks for watching. Now hold up. I know my little ramble, you might say, man, that sucks. And I'm gonna tell you, it does suck. But it's not gonna suck forever. I know, like a lot of you, the world's weird right now, you know, stuff happens. And sometimes when it rains, it pours, and it sucks a lot. But it's not going to suck forever. So I keep telling myself, you know, it's going to be a cold winter. Do one thing every day. Makes yourself better. Makes life a little easier, you know. One thing at a time. So, and when I need to, I just come out in my garage. And all you people, if you're still here and been around a long time, this channel was started, my passion's motorcycles. So one of these days, in the near future, I'm going to be getting back to these bikes, pumping out videos, and it ain't always going to suck. But everybody, I appreciate you watching. Keep your heads up. Take care.